Looking for a USB-C to Lightning cable that delivers fast charging and reliable syncing for your Apple devices? This 6-foot nylon cable is designed to keep your iPhone or iPad powered up and ready to go with impressive speed and durability. The cable is MFi certified, meaning it uses an improved chipset to guarantee full compatibility with a wide range of Apple products, including iPhone 8 through 12 Pro Max models and various iPads. This certification ensures safe, seamless connections every time you plug in. One of the biggest benefits is fast charging. Paired with an 18W or higher USB-C wall charger, it can charge your iPhone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's a huge time saver when you need a quick power boost before heading out. Durability is built right in. The cable features a tough nylon exterior and has been tested to withstand up to 10,000 bend cycles. Plus, textured grooves on the connector ends improve grip, making it easier to plug and unplug even with phone or iPad cases on. Connecting your device to a computer's USB-C port for syncing is just as simple. The cable instantly recognizes your Apple device, ensuring fast data transfer without interruptions or compatibility issues. Users praise its solid build and slim connector design, which fits comfortably with most phone and iPad covers. This thoughtful detail means you won't have to remove your case every time you charge or sync. If you want a cable that combines speed, reliability, and toughness, this USB-C to Lightning option is worth a look. It's designed to keep up with your daily routine without compromising performance or convenience. Ready to upgrade your charging experience? Try this cable when you're ready to enjoy faster charging and a more durable connection for your Apple devices.